Hello everyone, today we are going to learn regarding the location map how to build in ArcMap 10.2. So first of all you have to add on the dataset. I'm going to add the dataset of Pakistan. So we are going to build an location map of Sialkot today. I have add on the district shapefile, Union Council shapefile, Pakistan shapefile and provinces shapefile of Pakistan. Now I am going to insert the data frames. Now copy paste the layers of district shapefile and the provinces shapefile into the new data frames. With the layer. Now click on the option of selection. Select by attributes so that we can apply the query. I'm going to select a field is equal to we are going to work on the Sialkot district. So that's why I have selected the attribute Sialkot, and now you will see that Sialkot district is highlighted. From the attribute data, you can also apply the select by attribute option. Now we have to create layer from this selected feature. Click on the create layer from selected features and you will see that Sialkot district is separated from the other features of the dataset. Now click on the option of view, then layout view. For location map in the page and print setup, I am going to select the option of landscape. Adjust the data frames. You can click on the option of full extent. I'm going to shade the symbology of an Sialkot district. As you see, I have changed the boundary color to red and the fill into the color yellow. As we are going to highlight the in one data frame Pakistan shapefile, in another data frame we are going to show the province in which our city district is present, and in the third data frame we are going to show the location map or of the city. Again, I am going to change the color scheme of an Pakistan shapefile and the province shapefile. In the provincial shapefile, I am going to highlight the Punjab shapefile because our city Sialkot is present in the Punjab district. That's why I am going to remove other provinces. Now again I have changed its symbology. So first of all you have to write down the title of the map. As we all know, for the map we should add on the 6 elements of the map. So I am going to add on the district map of Sialkot as an title. I am going to change its font by double clicking on it. Make it bold, and its font size should be 24 at least. Now next I am going to add on another element of a map, that is north arrow. Move on to the next option. We are going to select the scale bar. As shown in the map, it is in miles. You can change its units. I have also finished its subdivisions and then go on to the formatting. Drag it. Now add on the legend. Click on the next option. Its font size should be 16. Next, add on the boundary. And you will see that in legend there is not a boundary name. So we are going to change its name first of all. One click left onto the district boundary. Write down its name. You can change its properties, size and font size as well with respect to your criteria. Now adjust the legend. Next, we have to click on the data frame. Right click on its properties. Move on to the grid. Select new grid. Labels only. And you will see that lat long has been added onto the map. Again, move on to its properties. Click on the labels. And in the vertical label tab, you have to select the left and right. You can change its font size as well. Apply it and you will visualize that now your map has been prepared almost. Add on the draw toolbar. Now export the map into the PDF form. Now your map has been prepared. This is how you can prepare your location map, or you can say that it is an study area map for your research work or for any other purpose. Thank you so much for watching my content. Hope you learned something from it.